One link, one click, and 9 different cinematic, high-quality ad videos. It honestly blows your mind when you realize these were all made in just a few minutes. No skills, no filming, no actors, no models. Meanwhile, ad agencies and influencers can easily charge $30,000 or even more for this kind of content. All you need is a product link and the whole process runs automatically. You can generate multiple variations with just a few clicks and use them across different platforms. Stick with me, and I'll show you how you can do this for a fraction of the cost and produce tons of ad videos every single day. All right, hit the link in the description and jump into Higgsfield. I'm honestly obsessed with it. It feels like magic. There's basically nothing you can't create here with high quality and in a super short time. I've already made a bunch of videos about it and showed how it works. Links are in the description and up top. But now I want to go straight into the new feature, Marketing Studio. And this is where things get crazy. In like 10 minutes, you can go from zero to creating professional ad videos in pretty much any style you can imagine. It runs on Seedance too, which you already know is insanely powerful. And the best part? It's super simple to use, no complicated workflow like other platforms. You've got 2 main ways to do this. First, the manual way. You describe your product, add images, videos, audio, or any kind of reference for location, style, characters, whatever you need. Pick your style, define your character, and you're good to go. I'll test this one in a bit. But the easier and more fun way is URL to video. You just drop in a product link, could be anything. I'm going with a Dior product here. Next, you choose the type of video, like cinematic, UGC, try on, whatever you want. Then set the duration up to 15 seconds in resolution, which goes up to 1080p. This product section is optional, but it actually helps a lot. You can paste the product link again, and it'll analyze everything automatically and extract what it needs. Here's the key part. You can edit the product name, tweak the description, add or remove details, and even upload your own references like videos, music, or anything else. You can even create your own product from scratch. For example, I already generated this hat earlier. I upload it here. It creates a name and description for it. And now I've got a brand new product ready to use. All right, let's check the result.
If you wear stubborn makeup, this Dior Off-On Micellar Water is my cheat code. It melts face, eyes, and lips fast, but leaves my skin hydrated and clean. No tight feeling, I'm obsessed.
Isn't that insane? I didn't even think about the scenario or anything. This is next level. Just a few clicks in a couple of minutes. And if you see any issues, you can easily fix them by adding better references or more detailed instructions. What's really cool is you can try different styles for the same product. For example, remake the same product video with a different character or vibe. Now, let's take it a step further and go more pro. Instead of letting it do everything automatically, we'll customize the whole process. Here you can write a full detailed scenario for your video. You can define dialogues, music, location, characters, everything exactly how you want. Scene timing and all the extra details can really matter here. Now I'm going to regenerate the same video, but with a different character and product. I'll also change the dialogue and the location inside the prompt. Let's see how it turns out.
Okay, this feels actually different. It's literally just one knob, and I love that. This is real glass, not plastic. You can see everything blending inside. Okay, that's way quieter than I expected.
It looks really lifelike, and I'm pretty happy with it overall. I've also generated a few more versions in different locations, which you can see here. Now, I want to create a video for the same product, the cap, but in a different way. From here, I can either choose an avatar from the sample list or create a completely new, unique character, like a model or influencer. You can upload your own photo or build a character from scratch. You can also select multiple images and add them to your avatar list. Then you just pick one character and fully describe your idea. Set the video type, duration, and other settings, and you're done. Let's see what we get. What do you think? I feel like producing something like this manually would have taken a lot of time and money to get this level of quality. But here's the thing. I built this using just a simple prompt and 2 reference images for the product. Still, I highly recommend using more references and writing detailed prompts because otherwise you're basically wasting credits. For example, this video looks great overall, but because my references were incomplete, it randomly added a logo onto the cap. Or in another one, the prompt wasn't clear enough and the whole storyline went off track. If you do everything properly, you can get a great result in just 1 try. I tested a few other models as well, and I'm going to share some keynotes so you don't have to go through the same trial and error. This one is the UGC virtual try-on version.
Next, so luxe. This quilted cap, perfect. Sunglasses to finish. Yeah, that's the vibe.
Honestly, it performs really well, and I didn't notice any major issues. But one tip, make sure you clearly describe how the product should be worn or positioned. That way, nothing random happens and everything follows exactly what you want. This one was done with the Try-On Pro model. And here's an important point. If your main product includes all views and related items, you'll basically avoid inconsistency in the video. For example, here, the watch changes in one shot. That's because the AI was focused on the hat as the main product, so it didn't treat the watch as important. It's minor and totally easy to overlook, but still good to keep in mind. For this one, I used the tutorial preset.
Bought this set for my boyfriend. Caps quilted, watch feels weighty, bracelets sleek, and the shades are perfect.
I clearly explained the placement of the products, how many there are, and the location. This part is really important because in my first attempt, I didn't do that and everything broke and I lost credits. This UGC version also came out great on the first try.
Oh my God. This quilted cap is so clean. That monogram, burgundy and green just work and the strap adjusts.
And here's something you definitely want to remember. A short, clean prompt with no unnecessary details works way better than a long prompt with incomplete or incorrect info. In the first case, you're letting Seedance 2 handle things and it usually makes fewer mistakes. But if you overload it with messy or wrong details, it can get confused. Hope you found this useful. See you next time. Stay creative.